Hi guys, my name is Crystal Rumfeld. I'll be your instructor for this summer if you have enrolled for EDU 216. I just wanted to go to the um, Moodle page and talk you through some things because we're using a new curriculum this summer. So just follow me along as I go through here now. This is our Moodle page, the introduction page. We're going to be using this textbook, Those Who Can Teach. And here is your EDU summer syllabus, and I wanted to kind of go through that. So we'll click right here and get that to come up. And so here's my email address, and I wanted to make mention that the best way to communicate with me is through Moodle messaging or through the Tri-County email. I will respond to your emails or your messages within 24 hours through the week, but I'm not promising anything on the weekends. Most of the time I will respond to you on the weekends, but I'm not promising that. Sometimes it's I don't check my emails, or I'm busy or with family or whatever. So the other thing I wanted to make mention of on the syllabus is the way that I'm gonna assign grades. So I have quizzes will be 35%, case studies, which is an assignment, will be 30%. The scenarios, which will be another assignment after you watch a video, will be 30% of your grade. And then we'll have a final at the end of the 8 weeks, and that'll be 5%. Then I also wanted to talk to you about late assignments. You really need to submit all of your assignments before or by the due date. If you find you have extenuating circumstances causing you to not submit your assignments on time, please just communicate with me as soon as you can, preferably before you're late, but I am very easy to work with. I understand that life happens, and so just communicate with me. Most late submissions will be given the grade of 70, but that is way better than a 0. Also have a grace card. You can play it one time, which means that for whatever reason, I don't really even have to know, you'll be able to make up a quiz or a assignment with no late grade penalty. Okay, so very good. We'll X out of this. And then I wanted to show you about your Mindtap. Your all your curriculum, your book, and your assignments will be on Mindtap or Cengage. I'll show you that. Okay, so you'll have, so for example, chapter 1, can't move my screen over. You'll have your chapter, what I want you to read here. So you click into that, and it'll just come up with your chapter, all your reading for that. So you'll have your reading, what you're going to read, your chapters, and they're very interesting, and it's very relevant to your future career choice. And then you'll have a video case study, and that will come up, and you'll watch this video, and then you'll comment here and submit. So this is your video case studies. And then you'll also have a scenario that you will read what's going on at school, and then it'll give you several different assignments that you'll need to, or several different parts to an assignment. It's taking a minute to get pulled up. So this is what it'll look like, and you'll have an objective here, then a scenario that you'll need to read, and then if you'll go on down, you'll have a description of what you need to do. Be sure to read the self-evaluation section below to guide your thinking, and write your self-evaluation after you've completed your email. And then, most importantly, review the assessment rubric to see how your assignment and self-evaluation will be graded. That's important. So then you go down to the description here for each point in your email. So it's very self-explanatory and very specific. So if you read all this stuff and follow those directions, nothing should stop you from getting a in every assignment that you do. So here is how your assignments are going to go every week. You're going to have a chapter to read, a video case study, and then a scenario, and then also a quiz. And let's just look at the quizzes here. You will have one try to take your quiz, and then you'll get feedback on every answer. So it says, what do teachers say is their prime motivation for selecting teaching as a career? Let's see, a value or significance of education to society, interest in subject matter, influence of teacher or family, or desire to work with young people. So let's just say that we think this is the answer. We're going to go to check my work, and it says that's wrong, incorrect. So you have another try. One more try. So let's try this one. And so, let's see. Submit. So that's how the quizzes are going to go. And if you have any questions at any time, send me a message. If it's something that is hard to explain over email, I will send you my number and we can talk or even do a Zoom call and get you straightened out. And I want this class to be as relevant to your future as a future educator as possible. None of this is busy work. It all has very important meaning. So I expect all of your work to be indicative of a future educator. So I look forward to this summer semester. Good luck.